What's up YouTube? It's me Gio from Robinhood Investing with Gio. Just a friendly reminder, if you do enjoy my daily portfolio reviews that are very transparent and not being hidden behind a paywall, consider subscribing. Alright everyone, let's get into this. Welcome back YouTube to my portfolio review. Let's see how we did for the day. Overall we had another massive day. And let's see how we did for the week and for the year. For the week we're currently up about 14.78%. For the 1 month chart, we're up about 17.23%. 3 month chart, 73.72%. And the 1 year chart, we hit another all-time high, 138.16%. Let's see how our calls did. Start off with Dropbox. Dropbox did okay, finished a little bit flat. Overall, we're still up 27.62% on Dropbox, and we still have a little bit over 2 years on this call. Let's see how Tesla did. Tesla on a mission to, I think Tesla at this point already touched down on the moon. I think they're set for takeoff, and they're currently on a destination to Mars. I pretty much run out of superlatives to explain what Tesla is doing right now, and it's just awesome for all of us investors that are in Tesla right now. Currently, overall, I'm up 148.34% on Tesla. NIO, very strong green week for NIO. Overall, finishing about 15.22% for the week. NIO Day is this Saturday, so you guys need to be on the lookout for that. One thing to understand is a lot of times, sometimes events are priced in ahead of time. All this movement could have been in anticipation for the event on Saturday, so just be on the lookout, guys. If you do see a pullback, just be ready to pounce, because again, usually things don't go exactly as you plan, because the market is always future forward looking, and it probably already had the event of NIO priced in, but you never know, it might pop again on Monday. So let's wait and see. And for space, we're let's check it out. Space finished in the green. I think they actually had a green week this week. Yeah, look at that. Space finished in the green. Overall, I think they should be having more information about the test flight next week, so that's something to look forward to. Currently, we're up 33.35% on space. Let's go with MP Materials. MP Materials had a red day today. It's fine. I'm long on MP Materials. So far, we're up 6.72% on MP Materials. Palantir, I had bought a few shares when the market dipped during the whole dilemma in DC. Currently, have 30 shares, and we're up 2.74%. Big things from Palantir, from Palantir, I think, in the future. And I think they're going to have a massive 21. You guys can check out my channel. I made a video on Palantir if you're interested. Check Apex Technologies. Overall, another pretty unvolatile week for Apex Technologies. Currently, we're up 2.27% on Apex Technologies. BFT, a little bit of a green day today. Overall, we're up 12.44% on BFT. INSEEGO. You guys know I've made if you've been following this channel at all, I have been talking about INSEEGO to death, and I'm glad that it's had a nice green day today. You guys can check out the channel. I made a couple of videos. If you're asking why is it up so high today, it's the usual thing. You guys have never seen Mad Money with Jim Cramer. There was a caller that called in during Lightning Round. They talked about if INSEEGO was a buy, and Cramer said that he liked it a lot, and he likes INSEEGO, and that caused the stock to run up on this Friday. So it's one of the reasons Cramer's has a lot of power. Every time he gives a shout out to a stock, it usually pops the next day. So that's good to see. Overall, we're up 12.69% on INSEEGO. ARKG had a nice solid week. It's pretty good when you're an ETF, can go up at least 13%. That's pretty rare. But yeah, this was a great day for a great week for ARKG. If you guys want to check out the channel, I've also made a video about ARKG. I plan to hold this ETF long term, and I think I have tremendous like conviction on what Cathie Wood's going to do in the next 5+ years. So yeah, it's a long-term play for me. Also, a good thing about RG is they give it a small little dividend as well. So I mean, it's not much, but hey, it's something. Let's see, next up, Golden Nugget Online Gaming. Overall, it looks like it's recovered quite well ever since the sell-off after LCA went official. Overall, we're currently up 3.52% on Golden Nugget Online Gaming. I think that this industry could excel under the Biden administration, so something to be on the lookout for. I might add more shares if it dips a little bit lower, but for right now, we're gonna hold on to this. Skills is mobile competitive gaming, and Skills is something that Cathie Wood bought in her portfolio earlier this week. So I've been reading a couple of things about Skills. It's kind of like a way of gambling, Skills, but it's a little easier to access. And yeah, I think that this could have a nice pop this year. So I'm going to hang on to this one too. And currently we're down 1.45% on Skills. Go with BNGO. BNGO has had quite a ride. If you guys don't know, this price tanked a lot yesterday because they gave a public offering, and what that basically is they offer shares at a set up price. They haven't done it yet. They said they will be doing it, and that kind of dilutes the shares, meaning previously when you had less shares out in the market, now you're going to have way more. And one of the reasons they did this was because it happens all the time. Tesla's done this, NIO's done this. All big companies, when their price runs up so high, and for this example, you see that in just 1 week, the price ran up over 1,200%. And if you have something that's being valued that high, you dilute shares to raise capital to continue to innovate. And after the market heard that they were diluting shares, which always happens, once you dilute shares, you better believe you're going to be in the red the next day. It's a pro tip for anyone that's new out there in the market. If you ever see so-and-so company dilute shares, you better believe that thing's going to tank the next day. So it tanked, and then it recovered after hours today. And yeah, currently we're up about 0.93% on bionanogenomics, sorry. And let me see, Merger 3. And for Merger 3, if you guys don't know about this company, I've invested it earlier this week. They are the company that builds the trucks, the Amazon delivery trucks, and I think that Amazon is a company that might continue to expand, maybe, I don't know, possibly. And I think that they're going to need more delivery trucks, so that's why I bought for Merger 3. I think that big things lie in front of them, so we're just going to hang on to that. Let me see, and another new play. During the chaos that was happening in DC, this dumped a little bit, so I picked up some shares. This Bloom Energy, it's a solar play. I think during the Biden administration, I think 3 things to be on the lookout for. There's more than 3, but 3 things that are in focus for me is solar. I'm focusing on also EVs. EVs are going to be a big thing. And the other thing that I'm focusing on is on cannabis. I think those 3 could potentially be like big movers in 2021 and beyond. None of this that I'm saying is financial advice, but it's just something to be on the lookout for. With the Democrats controlling all 3 parts of Congress, the presidency, the Senate, and the House of Representatives, they have 2 years to just go crazy and pass the laws and legislations that they want. And yeah, I think that solar is going to be a big mover in 2021 and beyond. And yeah, that's why I invested in Bloom Energy. Very bullish on solar energy. Then we got Dogecoin, my dollar play. I should say my $100 play. It's kind of like it's basically, I had a penny stock previously and I got bored of it, so I decided to invest in Doge. It's something like a lottery scratcher ticket. If I were to explain to you what Doge was, and yeah, currently we're down negative 0.1081%. And Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin. I swear this thing is just like. I don't know, this thing's going on some kind of Tesla run because it's been absolutely wild year for Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin, I made a video yesterday. You guys can check it out on the channel of how I think this is going to be some huge thing, huge potential. You guys, if you've been following the channel at all, you know that I've made so many videos about Bitcoin. I have been super bullish about Bitcoin for quite a while now, and yeah, currently we're up about 64.65%. And yeah, this thing, I think how high did it go to? Yeah, it went almost to 40. I think it was over $42,000 when I woke up in the morning. And when I went to sleep, what was it at? Around, yeah, 38 something. So yeah, this thing is just on another rampage per usual. And yeah, that's my portfolio review for the day. So if you guys enjoyed the video, consider subscribing, liking, commenting. I would greatly appreciate it. My name is Gio, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Take care, everyone.